Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your bonvoy account from Chase. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your bonvoy account from Chase, first open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in bonvoy Chase login like this and hit enter. And after that, you can see the Marriott Rewards credit card chase.com on the first result of Google. Click over there, and after that you can see use Chase Online, get easy secure access to Marriott bonvoy credit card account. And now to log into your Marriott bonvoy credit card account or your bonvoy credit card account, you can see you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that you'll be required to enter your password over here. And then after that, click on sign in to log into your Marriott bonvoy account from Chase. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, simply click on forgot username/password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. Or if you want to sign up for Marriott bonvoy through Chase, you can see the sign up now option available over here. If you click there, you'll be taken to the procedure where you can sign up for Marriott bonvoy from Chase. And there guys, this is how you log into your Marriott bonvoy account from Chase. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.